Daily use English sentences. Welcome, please come in. Repeat. Welcome, please come in. This sentence is a friendly and polite way to greet someone and invite them to enter a room or building. Example. A. Hi, I'm here to see Mr. Thompson. B. Welcome, please come in. A. Thank you, I appreciate it. B. No problem. Have a seat while you wait. What's your plan for today? Repeat. What's your plan for today? This sentence is used to ask someone what they intend to do during the day, often to start a conversation or make plans. Example. A. Good morning. You look ready to start your day. B. Morning. Yes, I have a few things to do. A. What's your plan for today? B. First, I'll finish some work, then I might go for a walk. That's unbelievable. Repeat. That's unbelievable. This sentence is used to show strong surprise or shock about something that seems very surprising or hard to believe. Example. A. I just heard that Sarah won the city marathon. B. That's unbelievable. A. I know, she trained for only a few months. B. Wow, that's really impressive. Do you have a return policy? Repeat. Do you have a return policy? This sentence is used to politely ask a store or seller if they allow customers to return or exchange items and under what conditions. Example. A. I like this shirt, but I'm not sure about the size. B. No problem. We have different sizes available. A. Do you have a return policy? B. Yes, you can return it or exchange it within 30 days. Your idea works for me. Repeat. Your idea works for me. This sentence means the speaker agrees with someone's suggestion and thinks it is a good plan to follow. Example. A. I think we should meet at the park instead of the cafe. B. That sounds good. A. It's quieter there and easier to talk. B. Your idea works for me. I'll call you later. Repeat. I'll call you later. This sentence means the speaker will contact the other person by phone at a later time. It's often used to end a conversation politely or when the speaker is busy. Example. A. Can we talk about the project now? B. I'm a bit busy at the moment. A. Okay, when can we discuss it? B. I'll call you later. Your point is clear now. Repeat. Your point is clear now. This sentence means the speaker now understands what the other person was trying to explain. It shows clarity and comprehension. Example. A. So if we divide the tasks, we can finish faster. B. Yes, each of us focuses on our part. A. Your point is clear now. B. Great, let's start working then. I'm really thankful for that. Repeat. I'm really thankful for that. This sentence is used to express deep gratitude and appreciation for something someone has done. Example. A. I stayed late to help you finish the presentation. B. I noticed that. I'm really thankful for that. A. No problem. I'm happy to help. B. It made a big difference for me. I'll remember that. Repeat. I'll remember that. This sentence means the speaker will keep a piece of information in mind and not forget it. It can be used when someone gives advice, instructions, or an important note. Example. A. Don't forget to lock the door before leaving. B. Thanks for the reminder. I'll remember that. A. It's important for safety. B. Absolutely. I won't forget. Have we met before? Repeat. Have we met before? This sentence is used to politely ask someone if you have met them previously. It often shows curiosity or recognition. Example: A. Hi, you look familiar. B. Hello, I'm not sure. A. Have we met before? B. I don't think so, but maybe at a meeting last month. I am working on a project. Repeat. I am working on a project. This sentence means the speaker is currently busy doing a specific task or assignment for school, work, or personal goals. Example: A. Hey, do you want to go out for lunch? B. I can't right now. I am working on a project. A. Oh, okay. Is it due soon? B. Yes, I need to finish it by tomorrow. What's your favorite subject? Repeat. What's your favorite subject? This sentence is used to ask someone which school subject or topic they like the most. Example: A. I noticed you enjoy reading a lot. B. Yes, I do. A. What's your favorite subject? B. I really like science because I love doing experiments. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. Repeat. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. This sentence means the speaker gets out of bed at 6 o'clock in the morning every day as part of their routine. Example: A. Wow, you're already up so early. B. Yes, I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. A. That's impressive. I usually wake up much later. B. It helps me start the day with more energy. That's not what I expected. Repeat. That's not what I expected. This sentence is used when something happens differently from what the speaker thought or hoped for. It shows surprise or mild disappointment. Example: A. I just tried the new cafe downtown. B. How was it? A. That's not what I expected. B. Really? What happened? He might have missed the bus. Repeat. He might have missed the bus. This sentence means there is a possibility that he did not catch the bus. It shows uncertainty about what happened. Example: A. Where is John? He was supposed to be here 10 minutes ago. B. I'm not sure. He might have missed the bus. A. Oh, that explains the delay. B. Yes, we should wait a little longer.
Thanks for watching.